welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. Here I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then you ought to think about hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of the family. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you from your toes to your soul. So we're going to get this video started because baby, it's hot. I am on my patio. We have a little event that we're going to be doing pretty soon. Not an event, but an occasion. I can't speak on it too much. But anyway, so I'm late getting my patio together. For one, first it was raining. And now it's just hot. But today is one of those days where it's not in the 90s. I think we're in the 80s, and I want to get this done before it gets to the 90s. So today I will be I'm going to spray paint my table and clean my rug. I'm going to turn you guys around in a minute so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm thinking about spraying my fire pit. However, I think I might need, we never use it, it's just basically decorations, but one of these days I might use it. I might need the paint for heat, and I don't have any of that right now. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. 1 second. I want to clean my rug, and I'm going to spray paint my table because I see some rust spots. And then that's my hubby right there. I'm thinking about spray painting my thing here, and then I have to pull weeds. Look, I got weeds growing in my flower pots, girl. But anyway, pull weeds through the brick. But when we get through this, it's going to be really cute. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to see you guys in just a few minutes. Oh, and what I'm going to do to try to save money is because I have this thing here for my pillows and stuff, but I didn't put them in there. So now you see how nasty my pillows are. My husband and I found this new, well, I don't know if it's new, but it says mold, algae, and somebody cleaner. So I'm gonna try to clean my pillows without spending like over $100 for pillows, because we ain't doing that. We're doing this on a budget. So this is what we're working with. So for right now, I'm gonna pause it, and then I'll be right back. Well, hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure.
pillows. We did the rug as much as we could. We hosed down all the furniture. We're gonna let it dry. Then I'm come back probably tomorrow because the sister is hot. You see? And spray paint. Hopefully it won't be so hot tomorrow, but we're gonna spray paint the table and the chairs. And then I think, oh, we gotta get these weeds out between the bricks. Then we can get to the pretty stuff. So until then, see you in a minute.